All right, the new GRP Cold Air Intake is here, so let's open it up and see what we've got. Box feels pretty light, so that's a good start. It's supposed to be lighter than the factory intake filter housing, so let's see here. Oh yeah, this looks good. Got some candies. It's always fun. Oh cool. Nice, clean silicone elbows. Some of the other intakes that I've seen, they have like an accordion, and it's nice that this is just smooth through there, so that should definitely help air flow. Nice band clamps. So 2 elbows, nice and simple. And the air box, let's see what that is. This looks good. Foam filter, ITG. Oh, that looks nice and clean. A little water escape hole there. Super clean. Try out this last package. Oh, cool. This bracket will go around here, hold that, hold a wiring harness and some hoses, and clean that up down there. Wow, this is gonna be sweet. I'm not sure what the factory intake airbox weighs, but let's weigh all these components and see what we got here. All right, 4 pounds, 12.8 ounces. So just shy of 5 pounds. So we'll get the factory airbox pulled out, weigh it, and see what kind of weight savings we have.